Hello and welcome back to Zimist Coded, the place where we make tech tips easy and useful. Have you ever added a table in Microsoft Word and noticed that the columns look either too narrow or way too wide for the content inside? It can make your document look messy and unprofessional. But don't worry, there's a simple fix and I'm going to walk you through it. First, open your Word document and click anywhere inside the table you want to adjust. As soon as you do, you'll see a new set of options appear at the top under Table Tools. There are two tabs, Table Design and Table Layout. We're going to focus on Table Layout. Go ahead and click on the Table Layout tab. In the Cell Size group, you'll find the magic button, AutoFit. Click on it and you'll see three options pop up, AutoFit Contents, AutoFit Window, and Fixed Column Width. Now choose AutoFit Contents. Instantly, Word will adjust the column widths so that they fit perfectly around the content in each cell. It's such a simple step, but it makes a big difference. And here's what's cool. As you type more content into the table cells, they'll automatically resize to fit what you're entering, so everything stays clean and aligned. And that's it. Just a few clicks and your table looks neat, readable, and ready to impress. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions or want to see more Word tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more easy tech tutorials and productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.